Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to send a location on your Instagram chat on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to send the location in your Instagram chat like a WhatsApp. So it's a super thing. You can just send location on the Instagram chat. So first you just open any chat. You just need to send a location. Then you just need to click on the plus symbol on the downside. So now here you have this two option called location and imagine. So just go with the location. So now it's turn on your device location to share in the chat how you can use the location surveys or how you use the information or something about that, and click on the new option. So now I just need to turn on my location first. So open the setting option and I just turned on the location. Now here it will be find your location, exact location. For an example, here I just going to find my location by zooming here, and zooming here you can see that actually there is a point here. So you can just pin, or you can just have this option called you can just pin the location directly by using this option. If you can just pin like just going to pin Madurai or Kerala like that, and this option so enable the location of you with the map setting. So you can just pin the location and you can just share the location. So this is how you can just click on the view section to see the location. This is how you just share your location on the Instagram chat. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.